Welcome back to my channel, Haitian Dining with Mary. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make Avwan, also known as oatmeal. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get to it. Here are today's ingredients. 3 cups of water, 1 cup of oatmeal, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 5-star anise, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 can evaporated milk, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon almond extract, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of regular butter. After the water has been boiling for 5 minutes, I'm adding the cinnamon, anise, and salt. Next, I'm adding the oats. Please make sure the oatmeal doesn't overflow. After 10 minutes has passed, add the other ingredients. Now I'm adding sugar, milk, nutmeg, and butter. Five minutes later, I will add vanilla and almond extract. And let it simmer for 5 minutes. This is the final product. Bon appétit! Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I should do next time. And stay tuned for my next video of meat with okra, also known as viande with kalalou. Thank you and bye bye.